What if I show you a website with over 413 different Android TV apps? Yes, 413 different Android TV apps. Welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm about to show you a super website that has lots of applications that you can install to your Android TV. And I'm going to be showing you everything step by step from the beginning right up to the end. If you find the video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more important videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Slim TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they are very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has a 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description of this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
So here's my Android TV box, and I'm going to be showing you every process. Follow attentively and try on your Android TV. And if it works, let me know in the comment section. If you're looking for a website that can install Android TV applications, lots of them, different categories of Android TV applications, this website is going to be a super website for you. So for us to go over to this website, we need the download application to our Android TV. Now, if you have the download application on your Android TV, you can just skip to the part where I'm going to be typing in the code. But if you don't have the application, let me start by showing you how to install this application. If you want to install the download application on your Android TV, there are two ways. The first way is for you to go over to your Google Play App Store, and you go over to your Google Play, just search for application and install. Now, if you don't have Google Play, you can go over to your browser. This works with any browser on your Android TV. So on your Android TV, what you have to do is to go over to your browser and type in the name of the application, which is Downloader. Now, as you type in Downloader, you're going to see in your suggestion and that says download the app. So you're going to click on this option. Now in this option, you're going to see many options from the download application. So what we need is the downloader by AFTV News. This is what we need. Now on your browser, you're going to see this option. You click on it, and then on the Google Play version of Web Store, you're going to install the application just like I'm about to do here. You see, this is very easy. And this is how you can install downloader to your Android TV, even if you don't have Google Play Store. If you have the Google Play Store, it's simple. Just go over to it and install. But if you don't, follow what I just did. Go over to your browser, search for the application, and you are going to see it like this, and then install. Now, as you install downloader, you're just going to go ahead and continue what I'm about to show you. So let's just wait for downloader to install. Now that the application has installed to our Android TV, so what you have to do now is to open the application. And once you launch downloader for your first time, this is how it looks like. And downloader works perfectly by you searching for anything on it. You can search for an application using a key term. You can search for an application using a code. And you can search for something using a website. So in this case, we are going to be using a website or a code. Sorry. So I'm going to use a code, and the code in this case is simply you go over here and type in this code. So once you type in, or once you install the downloader application, you have to come over here and type in this code 8837673. And as I said, downloader works with lots of different codes. If you need codes for downloader, just search on my YouTube channel. You're going to see lots of different codes that you can use on downloader to get whatever you want. But in this case, we're working with this code because it's going to bring us to a website that has over 413 different applications. And here's the website we're talking about. The website is called androidtwix.com, and I'm going to show you everything about this website and how to install applications from this website. So you just type in the code and wait for the website to load. So when the website loads, this is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to admit the website is not really well created. I believe the creator of this website really needs to do a lot of work on it still. But once you load the website, this is how it's going to look like. And if I browse through, you're going to see lots of different applications here. There are tons of them. Sorry, I'm blurring this because some applications might not be allowed to show on this video. So if you come at the website, if you just browse through, you're going to see lots of different applications, and most of these applications have been updated in less than 1 month. So most of these applications are well updated, so that's something you should not worry about. So as I said, there are tons of different applications here. There are over 413 different applications here. Now as you go back to your website, the first thing I want you to do the first thing I want you to do is to come over to the option that says, just come over to the top of your Android TV or the downloader where you see these three lines. Click on it, and then you're going to add this website to favorite, like add current page to favorite. The reason for this is that if you want to come back to this website later on, you don't need to type in the code. All you have to do is to open downloader, and then you go over to the option that says favorites here, and you're going to see the website here, and this is it. I can just click on it and it will launch, and you don't have to type in the code to go over to the website. So this is the website. If you want to download and install an application on this website, it is simple. As I said, as I already showed you, there are lots of different applications here. If you want to install an application, is simple. What you have to do is to go over to application you want to install. Let's say for instance, I want to install the TV made application. What I'm going to do is going to click on the option for it, and it's going to bring us to a page like this. What you have to do, just to browse to the bottom of it, and then there's a download button, and then you click on the download button just once, and it's going to start downloading to your Android TV. All you have to do now is just wait for the application to completely download to your Android TV, and then you can install it. And this is how to install applications from here. As I said, there are over 430 different applications, and you can download and install any of them like this to your Android TV by just going over to application and browsing. Now, as I said earlier, I admit this is not the best website for applications, but if you lack a website to install application, this could also do the trick for you. And this is how to follow and install applications from it. So as the application is downloaded, what you have to do is just click on install and then install to your Android TV. Very simple. They can give you something like this, but this is just the Play Protect trying to do their own stuff. So all you have to do is just click on more details and then click install anyway, and the application is going to be installed to your Android TV. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So the application is installed now. If you return home, before you return home, please delete the app file from your Android TV to save space. So just go over here, delete, and then you can return home to where the application has been installed. And that's it about this video. If you find the application helpful, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.